Okay, everybody. 2007 Donruss Classics Football Hobby Box. Another one. Let's see what we get. Come on, Adrian Peterson. Okay, we've got base. Oh, timeless tributes. Drew Brees, Deuce McAllister, and Reggie Bush. Goal, no, 12 out of 1,000. Drew Brees, Ben Roethlisberger. Okay. Again, you're hoping for 3. There's going to be 3 hits in this box, but you're hoping for some parallels. You've got Reggie Brown, John Kitna, Lawrence Maroney, Frank Gore, and Eric Moulds. Just base. Okay, Steven Jackson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Michael Vick, Cinereese Moss, Saturday Stars, out of 1,000, 700 out of 1,000, Clinton Portis, you got Reggie Bush, Maurice Jones-Drew, gold version of Monday Night Heroes, numbered 48 out of 100, and 3 regular. Okay. Chad Johnson, Ocho Cinco, Willie Parker, Brett Favre, base, Terrell Owens, and Vernon Davis. Cadillac Williams, Dan Fouts, legendary players, number to 1,000, Harrison, and Davis again. Oh, here's a timeless tributes of Joey Galloway, numbered to 100, and just me. So no hits so far. Larry Johnson, Warwick Dunn, Eli Manning, and a rookie of Drew Stanton. Obviously he's not their quarterback, so he didn't pan out, but no problem. Alright, Rudy Johnson, Gates, not Bill Gates, Antonio Gates, and more base. Still no hits. Suspense is killing me. Not. Donald Driver, Joey Galloway. Oh, here might be something. What do we got? Johnny Unitas jersey, classic singles. Alright. White swatch, numbered to 175. And Peyton Manning, a Colt. Legendary quarterback to follow another. Okay, got him, upside down dude. Sunday's best, Algie Crumpler, number to 1,000. And Tom Brady. Okay, still 2 hits. Hopefully some autographs. We've got Todd Heap, Jeremy Shockey, classic combos. We're looking at Troy Aikman, Michael Irvin. Very nice. Numbered to 250. Those are some cool looking swatches. Blue and dark blue. Alright. Not bad. Not bad. Cowboys fans will like that as much as they like their cheerleaders. TJ Hushmanzada, Tomlinson, I'm on green. And that's a nothing pack. Next up, Classic Singles, Earl Campbell, number 2,000. And 3 base cards. Still one more hit. Dante Culpepper, J.P. Lossman. And it's an autograph of Rena McKnight, number 999. Not cool. Whatever. And we've got some base and some base. Come on, just an everyday regular AP autograph would be nice. I mean, rookie. And there's a legend. George Blanda, number 999. Jay Cutler, Alexander, and Leftwich. Last pack of this box. And we've got Bays and Bays and Andre Allison to $14.99. Okay, that'll do it. Some nice stuff. See you next time.